Okay, Donnelly, let's see kind of where the golf swing is now. And so you said one of your main goals is to learn how to take a divot again, right?
Make a divot with no pain.
Okay.
That's the number one goal. I can play, and you've played with me a couple of times in the last couple of weeks.
Right.
I can score.
Oh, it's 100%.
It's just my ball striking is not where I want it to be. I'm not hitting those shots that are in my intended area.
Okay.
And a lot of it has to do with my aim.
Okay.
I've always had an issue. My left eye is a lot weaker than my right eye, so I've done eye therapy. It helped a little bit, but it's just a lot of work to try to continue on that effort. So just letting you know now, that's one of my second goals, is to realign myself, get readjusted, and form a better pre-shot routine to make sure I am completely aimed at my target rather than missing way right, which is my usual miss.
And just like we were talking about before, the aim and the strike are the two most important things with an iron shot, right?
Yeah.
So let's focus on going just over this light blue flag.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna aim the stick parallel left, just like some railroad tracks, okay? And I can see right here, we need to adjust this a little more. Okay, right about there, parallel left is aimed over that light blue flag. Yeah. All right, so let's take a couple swings here, and we're gonna gauge how the contact is versus where the ball ends up.
Okay. I always find my spot couple feet in front of the golf ball and align myself through that. It's just something that I've done since early on in the golf game.
And that's a great way to take what you're doing on the range and take it on the course with picking out your targets about 3 feet along the ground. You know, all the Tiger and Jack have always done that, and it's a good way to get yourself aimed up correctly on the course as well as on the range. But
yeah, it's the best way that I've really found myself and get in the right positions, and especially some of the students that I teach as well.
Right. Okay, let's see a couple shots here. Yeah,
something I do want to talk about. A thought that I had after our lesson that I meant to tell you about. When you told me to find that alignment rod, I now see that in my head.
Love it.
So I don't know what you did, but I see it now. So now my line is actually at this dead leaf right here.
That's perfect.
So it's going right up.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I've been able to see that before. So whatever we did, that lesson really clicked for me and resonated.
Well, that's awesome.
And I think it helped in our match. It showed. Because I was hitting my balls a lot closer to my intended target zone.
Right. So the real question is, before we started the videos, and I know we kind of just talked about it here, but before we started the videos versus now, do you feel like you can aim up and you feel like you aimed a lot more correctly than you were before?
Yes.
Okay.
It's still not where I want it to be.
Right.
But I feel that zone is
starting to move in.
It's here, now it's here.
Love it. And that's the goal of what we're trying to do. I mean, we didn't have a specific swing thought or a swing change that we wanted to make because you're a very consistent player.
Right.
And it just wouldn't make sense to change anything there. We just talked about a little bit of ball striking, but we mainly wanted to work on our aim. And it's good to hear that you're trying to work, or you did work on, and it's improving your alignment.
Yeah.